Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to join anyone on Roblox without being their friends. So let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser and search for your roblox.com website and log into your account. So after you search for the Roblox website, simply tap on the three dashboard option available in the left side of the screen and tap on the friends. After that, simply search for anyone. Here I am searching for a random person named Tom. You can search for anyone and tap on their profile. Here you can see you can't find any join me option. You can only see the add friend option available there. And if you don't have any join me option available there, then we have another solution to fix this. Simply go to the new tab option in the Google web browser. Then tap on the three dot in the right side, then tap on the extensions and tap on the visit Google Web Store. And now in Google Web Store, search for the row searchers. So the row searcher is the Roblox tool which will help you find the join me option in your Roblox account without being their friends. All you have to do is add these extensions to your Google and you will see the join me option. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.